Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Casa Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make an intensive detangler for tangled hair. So we are going to use aloe vera. So I'm just showing you the products that we're going to use. A strainer, a spoon, and a few balls. But for the strainer, I had a challenge, so I went for a net. And a knife, of course. So I had immersed my aloe leaves in water for 30 minutes to remove that poisonous content. So now we're just cutting off the sharp edges. So when it comes to detangling, I love sleep. So all naturals love sleep, and this detangler comes without a price. So aloe vera contains mucilage, and most of the plants contain mucilage. Yes, not all of them. Yes, so mucilage is a gelatinous substance. So mucilage is one of the ingredients that makes a product slippery. So we love slippery products because they help reduce tension when unveiling tangles, snags, and knots. So aloe vera is commonly used to moisturize hair and moisturize the skin. It also helps with scalp healing, restoring the hair's pH levels, and decreasing tangles and improving detangling sessions. And it will also strengthen the hair shaft to help prevent breakage. So I always detangle my hair prior to washing it. And of course, I use different products which have misled. So I've used okra gel. I did a video on how you can detangle your hair using okra. If you haven't yet seen it, you can check it out. I will link it in the description box below. So we are done cutting off the sharp edges. They look so lovely. Yes, so we are getting a bowl and a spoon. So I'm going to cut across, and then I'll start scooping out the gel. Then apart from okra gel, I also use VO5 conditioner to detangle my hair, and I've also used fenugreek. So all these, they really work well for detangling. Yes, so just have to make sure that you go for something which has slip. So hair sheds every the 50 to 100 strands, so that shady hair needs to be removed. So you don't have to be fearful about anything, because that hair just has to go. Yes, so unless if it's coming out in chunks, you can be worried. So I've had a protective hairstyle for close to a month. So I haven't detangled my hair for close to 4 weeks. So our hair is quite matted, and so we really need this detangler to work miracles. And one thing I've noted is if I am doing a weekly routine, I usually shed less hair. But if I go for 3-4 weeks, a lot of hair comes out. So which is very normal. You're not supposed to be worried about that. So I'm not scooping out bigger chunks. I'm scooping out smaller pieces, because we're not going to blend it. I don't like the consistency of aloe when it's blended. So we are just going to whip it. So that's the reason why we are doing this, because we are going for a thicker, consistent kind of. So we are done. That's how it looks like. So like now I'm just going to whip it, because we are going for a thicker consistent. That's the reason why I'm avoiding a blender. Okay, so we are done, and I just got a net. Like the strainer was not doing a good job. So you have to make sure that the sides are even so that it doesn't slip out. So just pour everything at once. And make sure that you fold all the pieces together like so, and then you squeeze out the gel. I really love that. That's what we were going for. Yes, look at that, so beautiful. So press, make sure that all the gel comes out. I'm sure we have more gel, so keep pressing. Okay, we are done. That's how it looks like. So like I always detangle my hair prior to washing it, so I've had a pre-poo or pre-shampoo, so I don't rinse. And I actually posted a video on how you can do a pre-shampoo using ginger or aloe oil, so you can check it out, or I'll link it in the description box below. So we are wrapping our towel because I'm so sure that this detangler will be quite messy. I didn't want to put it in a spray bottle because it was not possible like to spray it, so I'll just be using my hands to scoop it. So this detangler really works. Yes, I love it. So like I'll be alternating between different kinds of detanglers, but of course one day I'm planning to, one day we'll have a detangler in our line, Casa Naturals product line. So like when doing this process, you have to be very patient. So like I usually do my hair when I know that I'm not so busy. I usually do that on a weekend. I didn't notice that we had gel on the back of our head. So when I feel that that section is thoroughly detangled, then I braid that section. So like I'll continue doing the same throughout the hair strands. So like if you've been on this channel, you do understand that we're trying to grow out our hair and our edges, and we're doing all we can to grow our natural hair. And of course, the Bible says that without me you cannot do anything. So like I've been praying and I'm still praying. Yes, and I know and believe that the Lord is going to answer our prayers. Because I believe that with God all things are possible. So you have to make sure that you do everything in sections. So working in sections actually helps to make sure that every hair strand is covered if you're applying any product. Okay, so now we are remaining with the back. Oh, I like how, look at that. I like it. It's so slippery. That mucilage. Oh my God. So like I always use my hands to detangle. I don't use combs because we're trying to grow out our natural hair. And I feel that our hands are very gentle, unlike combs. But if you do like combs, white tooth combs, you can go for them. So dear friends, like we are done now. Yes. So I just want to show you how much shady hair the product got into our hands. Oh, sorry, it got into my eyes. Yes, so that's how much shady hair we have. So thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so, and that's how much is left. If this video is helpful, you can comment in the section below. And to all my subscribers, I really appreciate you guys, and to all my viewers, bye bye and God bless you.